Hi everyone, I'm here to read a book called Spiders. It's a National Geographic Kids, so that means it's going to have amazing photographs in it. And I know some people don't like spiders, but this is kind of an interesting book that will tell you what makes spiders special. The author of this book is named Marsh. Spiders. Look at this big hairy one. Marsh. This is the title page. And it's dedicated for the students, teachers, and staff at Edgewood School. This was written in 2011, almost 10 years ago. Right here is called A Table of Contents. If I just wanted to read this book about spider webs, I would look either on page 16 where it says Web Builders on page 16 or Spinning Silk, which is page 18. But if I was curious about spider food, I would read page 10. Let's go see what's going on. All right. It was not a big spider. It was the mailman. I'll be sassy. See my assistant scientist? Yes, why don't you go lay down? Silly little Carl. Anyway, this is the table of contents, and all informational texts have this at the front so you can find the information that you need. It's a spider. Now, these illustrations are extreme close up. There's not very many spiders that are actually this size. What has 8 legs, fangs, and hair all over? Is it a monster? No, it's a spider. Some of us are afraid of creepy crawly spiders, but most spiders can't hurt people. Web word. Now here's always little fun facts in these little boxes on informational text. It says fang, a biting mouth part of a spider or a large sharp tooth in other animals. So right here, I believe, it's kind of hard to tell on this picture. Why are spiders like tops? Because they're always spinning. A little spider joke for you there. Spiders everywhere. Now this is a garden spider, and they are harmless. They just keep the bugs out of your yard. So you can see a little better on this one. Here's its fangs. Spiders live in deserts and rainforests. They live on mountains and plains. They live on beaches and in caves. Spiders live almost anywhere. A spider's body. Spiders can be big or small. They can be brown or black. Some spiders are red, orange, green, or yellow. They may come in different colors, but all spiders have 8 legs, and they have 2 main body parts, a head and an abdomen. See, this label here says head, abdomen, and it's got a little line showing you the specific part. That's why labels are helpful. Can you say abdomen? Abdomen. Spider food. Here's spider. Here's an insect. Now these are just extreme close-up pictures because I think that's a fly. Let me hold it up to the camera. Do you see that? Is a giant zoomed in picture on a fly. all spiders are meat eaters. Most spiders eat insects. Some spiders eat bigger animals like fish, snakes, lizards, or frogs. Sometimes spiders even eat each other. Now here's a very big spider and it is eating a frog. Look, it says frog. Spider. Up here's another little riddle. Ready? What does a spider do when he gets angry? Do you know? He goes up a wall. Ha ha ha. Spiders have fangs that hold venom. Venom kills the prey or keeps it from moving. It like paralyzes it. But spiders don't have teeth to chew their food. They suck the liquids out of their prey. Yummy. The book says that, not me. Web word. Venom is a kind of a poison. Prey is an animal that is eaten by other animals. It says fangs. See how big? Look how many eyes. I think that's an interesting part about spiders. They have usually 6 or 8 eyes, sometimes more. Senses. Most spiders have 8 eyes, but they can't see very well, so they need more than their eyes to catch dinner. Small hairs on a spider's legs sense movement. So that's how they feel things, is these little tiny hairs on their legs. A spider feels an insect caught in its web. It's dinner time. So just imagine this picture is magnified many times so you can see all the details in the spider's body. Web builders. This is an orb web. Different spiders make different webs. Orb webs have a circle pattern, right? Those are the ones we think of when we think of a spider web. But look at these other types. Funnel webs are built like tubes. See how it's like a hole in the middle? Down at the bottom it says funnel web. That's a label. Tangle webs, cobwebs, are a jumble of threads. I get those in my basement sometimes. Trapdoor spider webs cover a spider's home in the ground. Trapdoor spider web, see? See the little door? The spider pulls it down on top and then it jumps out and surprises its prey. I think trapdoor spiders are pretty cool. Spinning silk. Not all spiders make webs, but all spiders make silk. They wrap their eggs in silk. They wrap their prey in silk too. Spiders even travel by silk. They use it like a rope. Spiders climb down to different places or they let the wind carry them. Now this picture says a spider wrapping its prey in silk. It looks like it's got a green, maybe a praying mantis or something, or a leaf bug. Can you see? I know the sun is really bright. It's making a big shadow. Up here it says another joke. You ready? What does a spider do on a computer? It works on its websites. Ha ha ha. Super spiders. Check out these really cool spiders from all over the world. This wins the prize for strangest. It's the bola spider. It catches its prey with sticky thread as if it were fishing. That's this one here. Here it says a Goliath bird-eater tarantula. It's so big it can eat young birds. It lives in South America. Probably in the rainforest is going to be my guess, because there's a lot of jungle there. Black widow. The most famous spider is the black widow. It is the most poisonous spider in North America. Sometimes It eats its mate. So the moms eat the dad. Not very nice. The deadliest spider in the world is the Brazilian wandering spider. It shows its red jaws when it's hungry. It lives in South and Central America. So, luckily, nowhere near here. Deadliest, see that? Best leaper. The jumping spider, it stalks its prey. It leaps huge distances to pounce on its lunch. See the little fly? It's jumping right on it. Now, the best weaver is Darwin's bark spider. It makes the world's largest webs, as big as 2 city buses. So that means those really big buses. I don't know if it means side by side or head to toe, like lengthwise, but either way, that's a big spider web. The best mother is the wolf spider. She's a fierce predator, but a careful mother. She carries her babies on her back. Look, can you see them all back there? Good thing she's big, I guess, huh? Baby spiders. Big or small, all spiders start out as eggs. A mother spider protects her eggs in an egg sac. Now, this is kind of a cutaway of what it looks like. So, a lot of times when we see an egg sac, it looks like this, right? You might see it in your basement or in your garage, like a little white puffy thing. And that is what an egg sac looks like. In this picture, it's kind of cracked open so you can see inside. That is called a cutaway. The label here says some spiders lay up to 2,000 eggs. She may keep the egg sac safe on a web, under a leaf, or in a log. She may carry her egg sac with her, too. Well, that's interesting. I didn't know some spiders did that. And then here's one carrying its egg. Web word egg sac is a silk pouch that protects and holds spider eggs. The spider eggs hatch. Baby spiders crawl out to meet the world. They are called spiderlings. Can you say that? It's like spider, and then you add on lings at the end. Spiderlings. It's kind of cute. It's for all these little baby spiders. It says, why did the spider buy a car? So he could take it out for a spin. All these spider jokes. Helpful spiders. Spiders are helpful to have around. Their silk is super strong. It's light and stretchy. People are finding new ways to use spider silk. Here's some fabric. See, it looks like kind of like a blanket somebody's making. Spiders also eat biting bugs such as mosquitoes and wasps. Let's hear it for spiders. Hooray! Now, it says, what in the world? These pictures show close-up views of spidery things. Use the hints below to figure out what's in the pictures. So here's the hint on this one. I don't know if that's clear. Oh yeah, there we go. Number 1 says, this is a usual spider hangout. What do you think it is? Let's see what it says. We'll just wait. If you had 8 of these, you could do so many things at once. What are these? Number 3. Hint. More of these don't help spiders. Our 2 work better, even though they have more. Number 4. Spiders Don't drink milk, but they make something that rhymes with it. See that white stuff there? It's like strings. Hint, rockabye baby. Spiders' eggs are kept safe in this. Hint, ouch, these can give a nasty bite. Do you have all your guesses? Number 1 is a web. Number 2 is a leg. Number 3 are eyes. Number 4 is silk. Number 5 is an egg sac. And number 6 are fangs. And here's the glossary right here. That's key words that you might need to learn. Egg sac, a silk pouch that protects and holds spider eggs. Fang, a biting mouth part of a spider, a large, sharp tooth in other animals. Sometimes you see it on dogs and wolves and tigers with big fang right here. Prey, an animal that is eaten by other animals. And last, venom. It's a kind of a poison. Well, here you go. Now you might know a little bit more about spiders, other than that they're sometimes creepy. I hope you like spiders a little bit more now.